Ever entered a product ID or zip code into Excel, only to have that crucial leading zero vanish into thin air? Today, we're cracking the code on how to put zero in front of a number in Excel, guaranteeing your data is always picture-perfect. First, select the column or cells containing the numbers you want to format. Next, navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon, then locate the Number section. Click the drop-down menu currently displaying General or Number. From this drop-down, choose Text. This simple action tells Excel to treat your numbers as text, preserving those precious leading zeros. Now, type your number into the cell with the leading zero or zeros. If the text option doesn't work, let's explore custom formatting. Instead of selecting text, click More Number Formats at the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the Format Cells window, make sure you're on the Number tab, and then select Custom from the category list on the left. In the Type field, enter the number of zeros you want to display, including the leading ones. For instance, if you want 5 digits, including leading zeros, enter a OO. The sample area above will show you a preview of how your number will appear. Click OK, and just like that, your numbers will display with the correct number of leading zeros. Now you will maintain data integrity and prevent errors in your spreadsheets. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.